keeping it a little quiet because it is early in the morning, and I thought it'd be a good idea to do a video right now while everybody's asleep. So if my voice sounds a little, hush hush, it's because everyone is sleeping. So, as you guys know, I have been creating with this Mermaid Dreams kit, paper kit from Hobby Lobby, and I absolutely love it, you guys. So you guys saw that on my last project share, I had made this little Memorydex card for Lily, and I wanted to create something that would hold the handmade stuff that I made her. So let me share with you guys what I came up with. Ta-da! Isn't it gorgeous? Oh my gosh. Okay, so it's one of those pizza boxes. Pizza box. Now, I didn't mean to make this a little elaborate, but it just happened. You know how sometimes you create and then you keep adding and adding and adding, and next thing you know, it's like, oh. Anyway, I love the way it came out, and I started off basically, I should have painted it. Now, in retrospect, I'm thinking I should have, but it's okay. I basically wanted to keep it simple, and then, like I said, it got a little elaborate. But I basically used the paper from the collection. This is just a white, I believe it's an 8x8 box. And this was gifted to me by, I believe, Erica. I don't know, I think I have two of them, and I'm not sure if Tara gave me one as well. No, I think Tara gave me one that she made. But anyway, we all got into these pizza boxes, decorating the pizza boxes because of Tara. Okay, so yeah, it is roughly 8x8. It's like 8 1/4, I think, by 8 1/8 or something like that. So I basically just laid down my paper, I kind of measured it, and let's see, how did I glue it? I believe I just used my Nuvo. I love this glue. And then for the tool on top here, I use my Fabri-Tac. Whenever I'm using, tool, fabric, metal, anything like that, I like to use this permanent adhesive, which is Fabri-Tac. And I get this at Hobby Lobby for $9.99. Just to let you guys know. And so after I had laid down my paper, I basically just let's see, after I laid down my paper, I think I had put this seashell here, which is a die cut from the collection, from the kit, and I had popped it up a little bit on some foam adhesive, and then this part I glued down pretty flat, like the edge right here. So that's what I did, and then I knew I was going to use these die cuts here, the starfish, because it says Mermaid Kisses and Starfish Wishes. So of course I had to put a starfish. And then I do love the seahorse, so I wanted to use a seahorse here just to kind of balance it out, because I have a starfish here, so I put something over there on that side, and I thought it was perfect like that. And then I was, but still I felt like something was missing, so then I took my gold, this one right here, and I don't even remember where I got this, if it was at Michael's. I'm sure you can find it anywhere. I laid it down, let's see, I laid it down on top, And as you can see, it doesn't fully cover the whole 8x8 surface. So I laid it down across like that. And then I thought, oh, that looks really good. So of course I did that underneath the die cuts. But then of course, you know, this part of it, like a quarter of the box didn't have any tulle. And I thought, well, that looks kind of weird. So then I was like, well, what am I going to do? Because I had already adhered this shell. So I decided to see if I can just put another layer on top. And then when I put this other layer on top like this, and I thought, well, it's okay to cover the seashell and even this, you know, that, but then you have this sticking out like it looked, you know, it's definitely like a visible line right here over the starfish or the, you know, the little sign there. So then I thought, well, that's not going to work. And that's when I decided, oh, you know, I'll just roll it down, basically. So I basically adhered this thing. I did this, okay. And then I glued with my Fabri-Tac from here down. And then I just kind of went and glued here. And I think I just put some glue here, right here. Yes, that's what I did. I glued it from here over like this and then glued like that and about up to here on this side. And then I kind of like peeled this back like this and just kind of, you know, just played with it like that. So it looked like a fishnet, right? And then, you know, before I glued this part, I decided, you know what, I bet I can make it a shaker. So then I put the little bits inside, and it's basically just some sequins and this shell sequins that I think I got from Sea Right Sequins. And that's what I did, you guys. So, and then I put this little pearl right here, and I thought it came out so cute. And as you can see here, I also put a seashell, like kind of inside the little fold that I created. And then I used the starfish again that I had gotten online, which I can't remember now if that was from Ally or if that was from Amazon. But anyway, I just thought it looked so cute, so pretty. I mean, look at it. And here, this part here, it kind of bothered me. You know, this part sticking out right here. And so, and it was white. And so all I did was use my Deco pen again in gold. And I just kind of colored this part right here a little bit on both sides. Just so this white part wasn't just sticking out. And as you can see here, the box, I didn't even, you know, because I figured, okay, you know, I'm not going to go crazy now and just paint everything. Of course, that probably would have been easier if I just did, if I took the time. But, you know, since it was a white box, I thought, you know, no, that's fine. But anyway, and then on the inside, I just put Hello Lily. And, you know, again, I used the paper and then this pretty, and then I didn't really adhere this, thinking, you know, oh, maybe she might want to reuse this. But I think I will just lay it down now that I think about it. And I just kind of put, you know, random little flat backs from Hobby Lobby, I think, just to make it kind of look like bubbles. And then, you know, I just like have my little goodies in here. So that's going to go in here, and that's going to go in here. And you just have to make sure. And I only lined the bottom. Oh, bottom and the side. Or this side and this. I think oh no, I see I didn't even do that side. I just did this side. Just because it bothered me when you like open it and look at it, you know. This part you can like see because it was so white. I'm sorry, it wasn't even white. No, because the inside is this cardboard. I don't know, it just bothered me. So I lined this part only, I guess for continuation, you know, because I did this part. I just decided to come all the way down. And that's it, you guys. It's like so easy. And, you know, there's just going to be some goodies in there. I'm going to throw in there. I just put some little chocolate, not C's, lollipops. And these are from Target. I just put a little pearl on that one. Just, you know, really simple. Nothing, you know, crazy. So just make sure that you have room to still, if you're going to use this like a pizza box like this, you just kind of close it like that. And I just thought it came out so cute. And this is the first time I've altered one of these pizza boxes. So I just want to thank Tara, who is Nurse Tara, because that's, you know, who inspired me to decorate one of these boxes. And I think the box came from my BFF Scrap Diva 29, Erica. So I hope you guys like it. And oh wait, let's see, do I have time? Okay, it's 11. I'm at 11 minutes. Let me just go ahead. So after I created this, I decided to do another Memorydex. This is not for Lily though, the Memorydex, because my other bestie, Sophia, we were talking and she told me that she was waiting for me to give her a Memorydex, and I thought, what? Now she had given me, I don't know, I think a couple of Memorydex now, and I didn't realize that I hadn't given her a single one. And there was a point in time when we decided, oh yeah, let's swap Memorydex, and you know, but we never really like officially did it. But she would just gift me some Memorydex, and she's like, oh yeah, I've been waiting for you to give me a Memorydex, and I never did. And I was like, really, are you sure? And she's like, yeah. And so anyway, I told her, okay, the next time I make a Memorydex, I will make sure I make you one. So anyway, since I was like so inspired by my little box that I created for Lily, I thought, okay, you know, let's just continue while I'm inspired. And I made her this. Oh my gosh, I think it came out so stinking cute, right? Look at this. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love it. Again, I used that fishtail banner that Sophia had gifted me, the die, okay, from AliExpress. This is one of the stickers, which is actually a vellum sticker, I think is what they call it, which is like washi. I mean, that's what it feels like to me. So this was already a strip, but then I just kind of made it a fishtail right here. You know, I cut that little edge there on both sides. And then again, I used love this. I use this to edge it just so it will pop out a little bit. And then, but before I laid anything down, basically I put that, the tulle again. And I'm going to show you the back because I didn't even finish the back yet, but I just want to show you what I did because I basically just wrapped it around. And then I glued right here, like I glued around here because I wanted to make it a shaker so no bits fall off. And again, I used my Fabri-Tac, so I glued all the way around like that, and then like that. I just kind of followed the, you know, the edges, and then I just cut the tulle in this section here so that you can, you know, obviously put it in your little Rolodex or whatever you call it, or, you know, stick it on your Memorydex holder. And then I just kind of just put sequins again, but this time I also put some starfish inside and outside. And then this is a little sticker, but I had to fussy cut it, so I basically glued the little sticker from the collection again on 110-pound paper, and then I fussy cut it, and then I even like just kind of outlined it with this. It already had the gold, but you know, I kind of outlined it a little bit more. And then I put a seashell there, a conch shell, and what else? And it's a shaker. So this is my, I think this is my first Memorydex shaker. And oh my gosh, in person, I don't know if the camera's picking it up, it is super shiny. And I'm thinking, you know, this should have been Lily's. But I already, you know, I already did my video response to the other one. But it's okay, she's getting the box, so it's, you know, right? So anyway, thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you guys have a wonderful Sunday. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks so much for watching, and